Hello there, another Marty Minute coming at you. You might have seen this car before. If not, basically kind of return to service, kind of engine rebuild project. Just kind of in the final stages of the project, kind of did the full kind of driveline kind of refurbishment. Basically, engine got a full rebuild, transmission got resealed, brake system gone through. Right now, I'm just working on the valve lash setting. We had the engine running yesterday, got it all dialed in, so just retorqued the head, now resetting valve lash. It's kind of been a longer project. Hope to see it head off to its owner pretty soon. Here's a kind of rundown on the progress we got going in the shop currently. I have the 76 MGB that I'm currently working on, valve lash kind of post first start kind of checkup and activities. I have the 67 GTO there that we've kind of been going through the suspension on, have a new intake, factory, kind of correct intake for it, had a Edelbrock or something on it. It's getting the factory back. Over there we have a 1934 Ford Cabriolet that's kind of come in for a full mechanical service, kind of full engine rebuild, transmission rebuild, suspension, the whole 9 yards. Got another MGB kind of in for various service, just kind of, I don't know, he has kind of like a punch list of things he wants us to do to it, brakes, kind of a couple other different tasks, so we're working through that. Have the ever-present Triumph 1800 that's kind of nearing the end of kind of secondary rebuild of certain procedures, so working through that. Then we got our TR6 over there that's in for kind of another myriad of tasks, but currently we have the rear end out of it, kind of getting the center section of the differentials getting rebuilt, so have that kind of all apart at the moment, getting all cleaned up and ready for rebuild. Then we have a 61 MGA over there that's kind of in its final stages of kind of the rebuild process, kind of just initial kind of putting miles on it, kind of just working out all the bugs before it gets brought back to the customer. So kind of working through all the projects, and then we have the midget up on the lift for various rust repair and suspension work. So working through all the projects at Kip Motor.